Hey! Yeah, I'm aware I have a stain on my sweater, but that will hopefully like dry up in a few minutes, okay? Hello everybody! How are you all doing today on this beautiful, sunny, but also extremely rainy and terrible day? I have been kind of like MIA recently, and I'm sorry for that, but I just have not been feeling very well recently, and it was just not an option for me to film. But hopefully that's gonna change now, because I already feel a lot better after taking like a 2-week break. But the thing that really sucks about not being present in the last few weeks is that I finally have long hair and I wasn't able to show it off. And unfortunately today I'm already gonna take it out. I kind of do not want to take it out, but at the same time I really have to. Okay, wait, let me take this braid out because you can't really see it right now. Oh, beautiful long hair. I love it. But yeah, I've had these bad boys in my hair for over a month already, and I gotta be honest, they are holding up like pretty well. Like none of them slipped out of my hair. But the hair itself is actually pretty terrible. I don't know if you can tell, but it's just not good. I didn't buy like the best quality hair, obviously, and now I'm at a point where it's like, I don't know, it's very crusty. And they are a different color now than my own hair, because my own hair is fading faster than the extensions. And I'm actually gonna dye my hair a different color pretty soon. So I do not want to like dye my hair red again, you know, because then it's gonna be more difficult to get it out. Anyways, long story short, I'm going to take stuff out of my hair. Hey! Oh my god. I said I was feeling better now, but at the same time I'm like sick. I have a very sore throat. I'm actually not doing that good today. Anyways. Oh, I'm gonna miss this hair. I look so much better with long hair. But I'm gonna take it out. I know that a lot of you are actually like terrified of me taking the extensions out of my own hair all by myself. Because y'all think that I'm going to just rip them out of my hair and completely destroy my own hair. And I know that that is probably something that I would do. But I'm not going to do that. I'm actually going to do it in a way that will cause my hair no damage at all. Hopefully. I have a remover. Ooh. It's like super easy. You could just spray it on there and the glue dissolves and you just take it off. Literally so freaking easy. So you all do not have to worry about me, because I am being a very wise woman today. Yeah, bitch. Also, unrelated, but also very related. Is it normal that these tape pins are like itchy as hell? They're so itchy. And I don't know why that is. Anyways, let's just get started. I'm literally trying so hard to postpone this process because I still want to have long hair. But it's time, okay? It's time. I'm just gonna take the spray and then like spritz it on there. And just kind of like try to like spritz it in between the two sandwiches. And I'm just gonna let that sit and like soak in for a little bit. Should work, right? I think that's gonna work. Oh my god, this is gonna take so long. Because I got so many tapes in my hair. Oh. Damn boy, how many tapes did I put in my hair? They just keep coming and coming and coming. Whee! Woo! Okay, I want to see if I can already take one out, because I am impatient. Hey! This one. Yeah. It's getting looser. This is open, but still it doesn't want to come off. Oh yeah, I got one. Damn boy! I still have my own hair. I hope that I have enough solvent because I already used so much and I only got 2 pieces out of my hair right now. Like, what the hell? Okay, so what I'm going to do, I got some on here. Then I'm going to use the back of this brush to see if I can get in between there. Yeah, and once I'm in there, I can add some more solvent. And then just like work that in. Don't pull it. Just let the solvent do its work. But I am too impatient for that. Oh my god, how do people do this? This is gonna take forever. I'm already so tired. And this is my 3rd piece. I have to be honest, I did pull my hair a little bit. I hate this. I hate this so much. Oh my god, this glue is intense. Okay, I was a little bit too aggressive this time. And I actually pulled some of my own hair out. Can you see that? Oh, help me. Oh my god, I pulled so many hairs out though. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No. I said I was gonna be careful, but this is a lot more work than I anticipated. I'm still taking hair out though. Like, I'm pretty sure this is my own hair. Is it on all of them? Yeah, what the hell? This is all my hair. Wait. There's like hair stuck on the extensions? No way. There's so much hair coming off of it. Did all these extensions just rip it out of my scalp? Oopsie. Well, I guess that is just the price that I have to pay. Oh my god. And I literally thinned my hair out for this. Okay, whatever. Nothing that I can do about it right now. So let me just continue and try to be careful. Yeah. There's so much hair on here. Oh my fucking god. Okay. I got like a quarter of them out. But let's see what my hair looks like. Because I actually don't really know how short it is. So we're now gonna see. Oh my god, I'm already sad. This is my actual hair. Oh my god. Look at the amount of hair. No. No. I'm going to save up all the hairs that are leaving my scalp right now. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how much I lost. Oh, this is so bad. Hey! I have short hair again. Oh my god, it took a long time, but all the extensions are out of my hair right now. I feel like there's still some like glue stuck in my head because I can't really comb it through that easy anymore. There's like a big chunk of glue over here. Can I take it out? Oh, I can finally put my hands through my hair. And I can scratch my scalp. Oh my god, this feels so nice. Ooh, this feels so nice. My hair really didn't grow that much in the meantime. I was kind of hoping that I would have like beautiful, luscious, long hair underneath my extensions. But unfortunately, it's still very short. So yeah, this is the end result. I am kind of sad, to be honest. I already miss the long hair. But I do think it's so nice that my scalp is finally freed. Tape-in extensions, even though they look cute, they are not very comfortable. This is the hair that came out of my head. And this is the hair that I took off. I have more though, let me show you. This is all the hair that was glued to my scalp. So yeah, anyways, this was today's video. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash this oily stuff out of my hair, and I'm going to give my hair some love. Some like deep treatments, because I'm pretty sure she really needs it. Oh my god, my head is still itchy. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Bye bye.